Welcome back friends, this is Purvik from the Android developer and we have come up with another tutorial to add the advertisement in your application to monetize well. So let's start with the tutorial. You have to install the Google Play Service Library from the Android SDK Manager. So here it is in the extras field, the Google Play Services. You need to install that first to add the advertisement in your applications. So just install it from the Android SDK Manager. Go to the Eclipse. Now just create one new Android applications. Just go to file, new Android application, give the appropriate name, let's say add demo, package name in.alro.add demo, provide the appropriate SDK requirements, click next, provide the appropriate clip art icon. I will choose this one, just next, let's say next, finish. uh, Select the appropriate layout over here. So this is it. We have to add the Google Play Service library to our application. So just go to the properties of application, properties, uh, add the Google Play Service library, select the Play Service library, which will useful for the advertisement. Let's say okay. You have to choose the Android tab from over here. Let's say apply, say okay. Go to the Android XML file. We have to add the few things over here in the layout file that I have written in the notepad file. That is at the top of the layout.xml file. You have to add this, which is the requirement to show the advertisement in your application. Just copy these things and just paste it over here. This is the schemas for advertisement, and we have to give the layout of the advertisement. So just copy this thing, that is the add view layout with the few properties, with height and align parent bottom, and with the ad size and ad unit id, the advertisement unit id which we will get from the admob.com. Just copy these things and just paste it over here. So that's it, just save it, and you can see over in the graphical layout, uh, the advertisement view is ready. Just we have to assign the id to the ad view. We have to make the layout better for the ad view. Just go to in the activity.xml file, assign the padding bottom, padding left, and padding right to the 0 dp. Let's say padding bottom to 0 dp, padding left to 0 dp, and padding right to 0 dp. So it will take a much better space on the activity screen. As you can see in the graphical layout over here, the full float on the screen width of your activity. So the layout file is ready over here for our XML file. So that is it. We have to get the ad unit id from the admob.com. So just go to the admob.com, sign into your admob account. Just click on the monetize tab, select the monetize new application. Now search for your application on the library, on the Play Store if you have uploaded it, else we will select it from the over here, add your application manually. We have to give the application name over here, so that is we will go to the Eclipse, select your package name from elsewhere. Okay, let's say in Java file the package name is there, in.alro.add demo. Just copy that and just paste it over here in the application name. Select the appropriate platform, let's say Android, add app. It has added the app. We have select the banner advertisement, so just select it over here. No, we will select the refresh rate, let's say 30-second refresh rate of for the advertisement, so it will refresh that one. And the ad unit name, let's say bottom banner on activity. Now just save it, and it will give you the add unit ID and the add unit name. Just copy that particular add unit ID from over here, just copy it and go to your XML file, activity.xml file, just paste that add unit ID over here for that particular add view. Now just go to the admob.com and let's say done with the registration of our application for the monetization. So we have done with the registration of application for the monetization. Now this is the layout is complete over here with the registration with the backend monetization. Now just go to the source folder. We have to modify the Java file, so go to main activity.java. Just build the workspace first, so all resources will be loaded up. Now take one add view equal to find view by id. Let's say r dot id dot add view, that id which we have given to the advertisement view. Typecast it to the add view. Next, add request. The object name will be add request equal to new add request dot builder dot add test device. That last thing, add test device. Right now just give the temporary test device name, let's say ABC. Next, dot build. So it will just create the your add request, and just you have to assign that request to the add view. Let's say add view dot load add, and that add request which object we have created. So this is it. The add view will load the add request which will send from the activity to that particular file. Now we have to modify the Android manifest file over here for our application, and we have to give two permissions to access the internet. The first one is the network state, access the network state, and the second permission is access the internet, which is from over here, the permission for the internet. So our application can contact to the Admob account, which is the online monetization account. Now just go to the Android manifest file. We have to add the metadata for the Google Play services and activity for the advertisement view, that I have noted down in the notepad file. So here it is. Just copy these two things, metadata and the activity. The metadata is required for the Google Play services, and the activity is required for the ad activity to load the ads on the particular activity with the few parameters, that the configuration changes parameter. Just copy this thing and just paste it over here. After the main activity, we have completed with the layout and the manifest registration. Just execute application. Oh, let's say something has got wrong in the activity field. Okay, configuration changes. Okay, that space is misplaced over here, so just remove that space, and now again execute that application. Just now just wait for the few seconds to let add to refresh on the activity screen. It has take too much time. Something has went wrong. Let's check it out. Just go to the logcat. What has the problem? I think invalid unknown request error, cannot determine the request type. Is add unit ID is correct, or there was a problem getting an error response. Okay. We have to assign the add test device over here. So just go to the logcat, just filter your messages with the AD, and just go to that particular message which shows the test device ID over here. Just filter similar message, just copy this test device ID from over here and just paste it over here in the place of the temporary ABC name. Just paste it. So this is it. Now just again execute your application. When an application start, you have to wait for the few seconds to let it connect with the Admob account and load the ads over here. So just wait for a few seconds. Okay, so that is the advertisement banner. This is the test banner that we will get over here, and that is how you will get the advertisement banner in your applications. Just if you want to show the actual banner, the real banner, then just go to the Java file, just comment the add test device dot add test device, just comment it for the fun time and just execute your application again. mm, Say just wait for the few seconds. Okay, so that is how you will load the actual advertisement in your application. So this is how you will add the advertisement in your application. Let's say the banner advertisement. So this is done. So please like and provide the appropriate comment on our tutorials, and please subscribe to our channel to let us improvise for the future tutorials. Thank you very much.